Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to download your resume from LinkedIn in your mobile device. So you can't do this in LinkedIn app, it's broken there, the link is broken there. So let's open Google Chrome and let's log into LinkedIn. Okay, now let's make the page desktop site. Okay, now let's go to profile. Here you can see more tab there, and here you can see save to PDF tab there. So now it's downloading the PDF file and we are done. So that's it guys, likewise you can download your resume from LinkedIn in PDF format. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.